How to make salted caramel Frooze balls. Caramel lovers, are you ready? You better be, because this treat is something you'll surely love without the guilt of regular caramel. But what exactly is a Frooze ball? If you haven't heard about it yet, here are a few things you should know before heading to the kitchen. What are Frooze balls? Frooze balls are treats that are packed with healthy whole and raw ingredients that are blended together and rolled into bite-sized balls. They're also called bliss balls, energy bites, power bites, and snackaballs. Are Frooze balls healthy? Frooze balls are generally healthy in many ways. It contains a handful of whole and unprocessed ingredients. Raw plant-based ingredients contain natural enzymes that improve digestion, which is better than processed food. Why does it taste like caramel without actual caramel? Using medjool dates is the secret to getting the salted caramel flavor you need without using regular caramel. They have a chewier texture than regular dates and give off a caramel-like taste. Salted caramel Frooze balls. Easy 4-ingredient Frooze balls recipe, perfect for a quick breakfast or a healthy snack. Prep time, 15 minutes, total time, 15 minutes, yield, 12 balls. Ingredients: 1 cup medjool dates, 1 cup blanched sliced almonds, 1/4 cup unsweetened shredded coconut plus 2 to 3 tablespoons for rolling, 1/4 of a teaspoon sea salt. Instructions. Step 1: run a sharp knife down the side of the date and the pit will be removed easily. Step 2: add medjool dates, sliced almonds, 1/4 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, and salt into the food processor. Pulse the ingredients until they form into a sticky dough. Step 3: check if the mixture is moist enough to form a ball. If the dough isn't sticky enough, add a few more dates. Step 4: place the remaining shredded coconut into a shallow, wide bowl. Step 5: roll the dough into bite-sized balls and roll into the coconut. Step 6: store the balls in an airtight container and keep refrigerated.